Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little last minute craft with me since I've glued all the paper piecing together. This is using the Sizzix Thinlit die. I just used this shape with this leaf and this leaf. I left this little cluster part out and I just layered it up. I had a lot of scraps from working from my Valentine's Day stuff. And so that's what I was using with the two-tone, and I did the leaves like some gold with white, you know, some minty blues, and then a couple of these guys. And I just glued some sequins and seed beads and polymer clay bits. It was literally a sequins mix that I had left over, and you just stick hot glue on and dump it on there, kind of compact it a little bit, and then wait for it to dry and then shake the excess off. So that's what I was doing with these guys. But I literally just finished recording some swaps, and one of the girls, so smart, she had like a flower, and then the leaves had tulle on top of them. Like she cut, like either with her die cutting machine, she cut it and layered it up on the leaf, but I had already assembled mine, so I was like, oh no. So literally I just went in and added some of this Hobby Lobby clearance cheesecloth. It's like pink. And then I added some of the heart mesh tulle from AliExpress. I love this stuff. It's got like the little felty hearts. And then I brought out a couple of other, this one's like gold hearts. But literally I just cut a generic shape, and it just brought this die cut to life. I don't know what it was about it, but it literally just, it added that oomph. I don't know what it did. It is so cute. And then what I'm doing is I went ahead and cut the back piece out, the main like base piece of the flower, so that instead of it looking like this, plus the tulle and all the hot glue, which normally I don't care, I went ahead and did all those pieces and then glued the white piece on the very back. So now it's really sturdy and it's covering up those 4 different leaves in different materials. So I am so excited to, you know, snazz up my paper flowers now that I know that I can do that. I don't know why I didn't think to do that before, but literally you just get some cheesecloth. You don't need to shape anything or try to do anything. Just do like a generic curved, like ovally, but come to a point leaf shape. And it doesn't have to be perfect. See how like wonky that looks? Because you're gonna end up just cutting it. I don't know if I should do it. Should I do a dark tool? I don't even know if this will show up. It might. Let's see. Oh yeah, it showed up. It showed up, so we're gonna glue it on there, and then you want it to peep out of the other leaves that you have. Yes, like that. Just gonna stick some glue in there. Use my little grippers from, you know, Dollar Tree or AliExpress. There. Just added a little something something. Isn't that cute? So I'm just gonna go through and reinforce it with that hot paper, and don't go over the holes. That was my mistake the first time. And I didn't know if I should pop these white pieces out or have it show drying. See how some of the white peeps through the back? I think it looks fine. I'll just leave it like that and not peep it out. And then maybe I'll show this video once I package this up, because I want to do Bona's tutorial to package these. Okay guys, so I finished the flowers, sewing on all like my fabric. Inspired to use that die because Hello It's Me Roxie on Instagram, she submitted a challenge entry, and she used that die, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have that die. And then when people do it, it's like, oh, it reminds you, you know. And then Bona, who is Live Love Scrap, she posted a little tutorial of this basically like a pamphlet box, not even a box because it doesn't have sides, but I was like, oh my gosh, that'll be perfect with the flowers that I was inspired by to whip out my dies. So basically I did her tutorial with the size of the silo bags that I had. She said you can make it as wide as you want. The only thing I changed is hers, this front panel comes all the way down, and it comes down right here, so it would like Velcro or magnetize. But I really wanted to use my new little brads from KG Crafts and make like an eyelet, like, you know, like a policy envelope without doing like an envelope. So I just did a little tassel. I punched a sequin. My friend Wandy literally just gifted me this in my Valentine's Day box. Some tassels, Maggie Home tassels. And so that's how it just hangs on there. And I did use the papers from, these are from Joann's. They're super thin. It's paper, it's not cardstock. So it's perfect to do something with 110-pound cardstock and then use the cheap thin paper to like layer it up. So basically I just paper teared, and then I did do like a Frankenstein stitch. I saw Adriana Alvarez do that on her Halloween like project that she did. I was like, yeah, the paper tearing, but the stitching across it, I was like, oh, I love it. So I couldn't wait to try it. And then I just did different thickers. So it says a bouquet of flowers, and it just opens up like this. So Bona's just does the same thing. This opens up like this, but without the policy envelope. And she had embellishments in hers. So I was like, okay, let's do my flowers like that. And there's all the flowers in there. They just flip up. I just did some double-sided tape, like a cascading waterfall effect with all the little flowers in there. So yeah, that's just a fun little way to send flowers. I will link Bona's tutorial down below. And the back, I just did the other space of this scraps. Stitched it, did a little tag. All right, I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.